Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to change your browser search region or search location. First of all, open your browser and search for search settings, and then you have to open this link, Google search settings. And once you are in this page, select other settings, and here click on language and region. And to change your search language, search result language, just tap here, and then you will be able to select a different language for your search results. And to change your search result region, just tap here, and now you can easily search for a new location using this search box, and just select the location or region and click on confirm, and your Google search result region will be changed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. This 5-minute solution gonna show you